How to use the words bought and brought correctly. The words bought and brought are just very easy, but there are still some people who get confused with this. Probably because these words have the same spelling, except for the R in brought. So in this lesson, we're going to learn the differences between these words, and we're also going to learn a few tricks on how to remember and use them correctly. Let's start with the word bought. The word bought is a verb. It is the simple past tense and past participle of buy, which means to purchase something. It is pronounced as bought. Examples: she bought an expensive dress for tonight's party. You could have bought something cheaper. Mom bought me a nice birthday present last year. The second one is of course the word brought. Brought is also a verb. It is the simple past tense and past participle of the verb bring, which means to take something with you. It is pronounced as brought. Examples: my laptop's not here. I think Jim brought it with him. Mom and Dad brought me to the park the other day. Had you brought Dexter to your parents' house before you broke up? Here's a table to help you understand. Bought and brought are both verbs. However, they have different pronunciations. Bought is pronounced as bought, while brought is of course pronounced as brought. Bought means the simple past tense and past participle of the verb buy, while brought is the simple past tense and past participle of the verb bring. For you not to forget the uses of the two words, just remember this one. The word brought has an R because it is the past and past participle tense of the word bring. Notice that there is also an R in the word bring. While bought doesn't have any R because it is the simple past and past participle of buy, which doesn't have an R in it. For our exercise, fill the blanks with the correct word. First one: the pizza she blanked yesterday was delicious. Do you know where she blanked it? The correct answers are brought and bought. The pizza she brought yesterday was delicious. Do you know where she bought it? The second one: she'd blank a nice tie for her husband. The correct answer is bought. She'd bought a nice tie for her husband. The third one: they have blank 4 cars and 2 houses. Maybe the fish they had blank was really lucky. The correct answers are bought and brought. They have bought 4 cars and 2 houses. Maybe the fish they had brought was really lucky. The fourth one: have you seen the documents Andy blanked for me? The correct answer is brought. Have you seen the documents Andy brought for me? And the last one: I blanked these incredible slimming pills in the internet. The correct answer is bought. I bought these incredible slimming pills in the internet. Did you get them right?